Walmart Around the World Case Study. Evaluating Walmart's Globalization Strategy. Walmart is a multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores. Our mission is to save people's money so they can live better. Expanding to other nations and molding their standards accordingly will help us accomplish the same mission. How Walmart has performed in other countries. Walmart's International achieved net sales of $125.9 billion in 2012, making us the third largest retailer. Sales have increased 15% since 2011, while operating income grew approximately 10% to reach $6.2 billion. Walmart's international business was estimated to account for more than 40% of the company's stock. Nations like United Kingdom, Canada, and Mexico have experienced amazing success, while on the other hand, the company was forced to exit countries such as Germany and South Korea. In countries such as China and Brazil, and mega retailers struggled to gain traction even after several years of operation. Most of, quote, 85% of Walmart's international profits and growth came from other cities in the United States, the United Kingdom, and Mexico. How Walmart has overcome obstacles. Even though many different international locations have provided Walmart with issues, Walmart has been able to overcome each step and impending failure and could come their way. Walmart has learned that each country is different and not all of the strategies that work in one country is going to work in a different one. When entering a new market, you cannot rely on former glories to inform your future plans of action. You cannot force people to bond with your brand if it isn't something that speaks to them on the foundation level. Instead, reimagine yourself in context of your new market each time you expand. Location characteristics. There are certain cultural differences that we as a company need to overcome in order to succeed in a foreign nation. For example, our stores in Brazil attained through acquisition provided to be non-profitable even though we have seen a business over the years through making adaptations. It is important to adapt to the economy in different ways of life in each country. Through experience, we've learned that a large parking lot is not necessary when we are in a low-income area where customers mainly come and go through the bus. To truly succeed in any given location, the business must learn how a business works in that country as well as what the products should be sold. Some products may have an easier time selling in different countries, while other sales of those same products may perform poorly in other areas. It is important that for all the consumers to feel natural, so the feel of the store must adapt to the culture of how things are locally. Entry modes. Walmart will choose different modes of entry depending on circumstances of the environment. If there is enough customers in the right condition, they may conduct a greenfield investment, where they build a store that will suit the customer's lifestyle best. Walmart may become involved in a joint venture when merging into a new market, and when they are trying to gain scale exponentially, or when they do not want to take full responsibility for projects since they are just merging. Walmart may be purchasing some space through acquisition, then they want to buy over and already know of location. For example, if there was a Target that everyone went into Canada, but Walmart wanted to select an area that would generate the most business, they may buy it out. Acquisition. We feel that the easiest entry mode through acquisition. No need to piggyback like in a joint venture, and no need to use resources to build something that would be identical to the surroundings or out of place completely due to being too modern. Acquisition is the best because the company can be established stores in areas that are already familiar to customers as well as maintaining the natural feel for them. Putting a modern, huge Walmart in a low-income area will not be a wise business decision. Other entry modes are necessary because of restriction or limitation may vary across different nations. Characteristics. The firm size, industry, products, characteristics, and international experience can afford their decisions when coming to an entry mode. Industrial characteristics such as a market growth, market size, level of competition, and production shipping costs all may affect Walmart's choice of entry. Research we found on Walmart. Even though many different international locations have provided Walmart with issues, Walmart has been able to overcome each step in pending failure that could come their way. Walmart has learned that each country. Our research. While Walmart has been racking up sales in their overseas production, has not been producing as much successful as previously hoped. Part of the issue is the growing rate of Walmart's rival, Amazon. For both companies, these strategies is important because in North America market, while incredibly valuable, it's already competitive and offers lower growth rates than other emerging markets. 27 countries in the operation. More research. 27 countries in the operation with 100 countries providing sources and produce. Walmart has learned to respect each country for its own uniqueness and individuality.